Late arrivals. Every facilitator, trainer, and group leader deals with this. People trickle in 5, 10, or 15 minutes late. You're stuck waiting, or you start without them and have to catch them up later. Either way, it kills your momentum and wastes everyone's time. And here's what most of us do. We accept it. People are busy. Traffic happens. Bad time management. Ugh. But here's the real issue. We haven't given them an incentive to show up on time. And this is a lesson I learned the hard way while lecturing at a university for 7 years. And it's a mission-critical principle that works in any group setting. Every single one of my classes started with what I call an unofficial start. A fun game, a puzzle, a story, a video, something fun and engaging the moment people walked in. The result? Over the course of 7 years or 14 semesters, teaching 2 subjects, I rarely had a late student after the 5th week of semester. Why? FOMO, the fear of missing out. The students didn't want to miss what was happening at the start of my classes because everyone else was clearly enjoying it. Word spread fast. Now, I didn't lecture about punctuality, I didn't penalize lateness, I just made showing up on time more valuable than showing up late. This concept of the unofficial start works in corporate training, team sessions, conferences, you name it. Anywhere you facilitate groups. Give people a reason to show up on time, and more often than not, they will. Want to create unofficial starts that eliminate late arrivals in your programs? Check the link in the description below for a dozen real field-tested strategies. And finally, can you do me a favor and like this video and subscribe to our channel for more lazy facilitator tips and activity ideas. Thank you so much for watching and have fun out there.